conversation with guests, educators, parents, and fellow students. Today, I stand before you to voice an concern that is slowly but surely eroding the intellectual foundation of our generation. The decline in reading interest and habits among students, an activity that was once the heartbeat of education is now being sidelined in the frenzy of digital era. Data reveals a troubling reality. On average, Indonesian students spend only about 30 minutes per week reading book outside of school requirement. In the Ladies Literacy Assessment by UNESCO, Indonesia ranks at the bottom in South Asia for recreational reading habit, while Thai students read around 8 books a year. Indonesia students read only 2. But this is not just about numbers, it reflects a widening gap in knowledge, acquisition, critical thinking skill, and access to better future. In an age defined by information, the ability to read deeply and think reflectively is not a luxury. It is a necessary our student. Life in a world full distraction. Social media, digital games, and streaming service offer instant gratification that is more tempting than reading books. Busy schedule and academic pressure also leave little room for leisure reading. In fact, a growing insight seems to be why read when I can provide all the answer? What many fail to realize is this: reading is irreversible. It's not just about acquiring information, but shaping the way we think. Reading sharpness, concentration, and expanded empathy, strengthens memory, enriches vocabulary, and hones analytical logic. All of which are vital tools for life. The impact we are seeing declining literacy level. The drop in reading habits directly affect literacy skill. Indonesian student reading score on the PISA test fell by 12 points over the past 10 years, placing us 17th out of 79 countries. A study of 50 high school revealed that students who read less than an hour per week scored 23% lower in reading comprehension and had 31% weaker vocabulary mastery compared to those who read 3 hours or more. Reduced critical thinking skill. Reading exposes students to new ideas, different perspectives, and complex arguments, all crucial for develop critical thinking. A 2023 study showed that students who read regularly had 40% higher analytical reasoning ability. Research from the University of Indonesia also found the college applicants who read only 3 to 4 books per year score significantly lower on critical thinking tests than those who read 12 to 15 books. Lower academic performance. Numerous studies confirm that reading correlates with academic success across all subjects. Students who read for leisure 30 minutes a day scored 27% higher on standardized tests, including math and science. At the Laboratory High School of Patimura University, a daily 20 minutes reading program boosted student grades by 18% in just one semester. Ironically, the very technology that contribute to this crisis may also hold the key to solving it. Here are three practical steps we can take. 1. Adapting digital libraries. If students are reluctant to go to the library, let's briefing the library to them. The National Digital Library offers over 30,000 free books and audiobooks. Schools should integrate this platform into their curriculum. Pilot programs show a 47% increase in student engagement within 3 months. 2. Reviving reading through technology interactive ebook, augmented reality based literature apps, and gamified offline reading challenges have proven effective in reigniting reading interest. The last 3. Making reading a daily habit. Just 20 to 30 minutes of daily reading can yield significant academic and cognitive benefit. Teachers, parents, and communities all play a vital role in cultivating a consistent and enjoyable reading culture. Ladies and gentlemen, the decline in reading interest among students is not just an occasional issue. It is a threat to the intellectual future of our nation. But this is not a challenge we cannot overcome. By using technology wisely, instilling daily habits, and collectively evaluating the value of reading, we can reignite the spirit of reading within this digital generation. Every book opened night is a window to a new world. Every page read is a step toward a wiser, more critical, and empathetic society. Let us not allow the art of reading to vanish from our educational landscape. Let us ensure to space remain open for a bigger future. Thank you.